I have a treat for you today. I'm going to show you how to tile a floor with humps. You don't have to grind or anything. This floor was loaded with humps. So I'll just take my long edge right there and I'll put it in between, and whatever tile's in between there. As I'm setting tile, I'll put my edge on there and make sure that it's all flush. So when I get to these humps, I won't run into any problems. And that's the trick, is just find out where your humps are, put a piece of cardboard, connect your humps with the long edge, and as you're setting tile, put your level on there and make sure it's flush with the bottom of the edge, and you'll run into no problems and your floor will become nice and flat. As you can see, there's a hump there, a hump there, hump over there, hump over there, hump, 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 and a hump right there. So I'm going to show you how to do this properly. You smeared my thinset. Sorry to interrupt the video and what I was teaching you, but since we're only going to be using thinset on this floor, you're going to need the ultimate trowel. And guess what? BAM! This baby right here is 3/4 by a 1/2 inch by 9/16. You're going to need this to do a floor like this to make it come out this flat. Even though I'm teaching you all the trick, the secret that I use, nobody else uses this secret but yours truly. I'm letting you have it. You need to pick up one of these. I got this at Home Depot, but I'll leave a link below that you can click on my Amazon and help support me by buying this through my link. So that's enough of that. Back to the video. Make sure you get it. And another thing, only use VersaBond. Don't use any of those cheap thin sets. So I set my piece. Pretty flush. All right. I'll take my edge. Right. I'll make sure that I'm going to hit there because that's a high spot. All right. Now that's perfect. I go to my high spot. All right. It's flush with the bottom of the edge. The pieces, the tile with the cardboard, those are my high spots. So if you're going along, I'll even put another piece in there. Perfect. Okay, let's go like this. My high spots. Perfect. 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 Now, if you don't have a 10-foot edge, you don't need one. You can use a 6-foot level. Right? Good. Good. And again. Perfect. That's how you do it. Pretty simple. Find your high spots, put a piece of cardboard and a tile on there. Start off in another section, make sure you're level or you're running with the floor. You're not buttering too far up over there where there's no high spot. Just enough so when you get over here, you check it, you ain't going to hit that high spot. So I know this little tip is going to help you. Have a great day, a blessed day. Do me a favor, hit the like down there. Subscribe to my channel. There's just going to be more videos, more things to do. And I got to get busy, man. This floor is 560 feet. I thought it was 400. I did a remeasurement. Come out as 560. And then the guy added another closet for me. So I got to get busy. You do too. Get out there setting some tile. I got to go.